Hi, everyone, and welcome to the Leading Edge Design Group video podcast, where we discuss everything data center, LED lighting, and information and communications technology systems. My name is Todd Boucher. I'm the founder of Leading Edge Design Group. I'm so excited today to be joined by Bob Karlicek of the Center for Lighting-Enabled Systems and Applications to discuss the present and future state of LED lighting and intelligent lighting control systems. Thank you so much for joining us today, and we hope you enjoyed the dialogue. And Bob, thank you so much for taking a few minutes out of your busy schedule today to share some of your expertise. We appreciate it.
Thank you very much, Todd, and I'm happy to be here. And I'm also very happy to be representing the interests of the approximately 30 faculty and 25 graduate students funded by the National Science Foundation, basically performing cutting-edge research to really redefine what lighting systems can do and offer to people in terms of improved lighting, better energy efficiency, and really whole new value-added services and capabilities that are going to redefine what people use lighting for. Here at the center, we're working on things like visible light communications. We're working on using digitized illumination to do automated occupancy sensing and even activity estimation. And now we're even taking this notion of using digitized illumination and biofeedback control to the realm of plants and horticultural lighting, where the plants can actually signal using their own emission capabilities driven by light, what they need in terms of minimizing their stress and improving their own growth capabilities. So these are all exciting new areas that really redefine systems and applications that you can do with digitized light-enabled systems.
Yeah, thank you, Bob. And it's exciting, and I think you probably illustrated that there's a lot to talk about in a short amount of time today. When we think about present and future state of LED lighting and lighting control systems, I thought we should start by addressing the fact that there are over 18,000 products on DLC's qualified products list. So what advice do you give to end users that are trying to evaluate this vast array of solutions that are available and trying to determine how to make the right investments in products and solutions for their facility? What do you typically tell them?
Well, you really just have to take a look at the ability to buy from qualified vendors, make sure that the product has good certification from leading organizations that basically are responsible for certifying stability, lifetime, low flicker, other kinds of well-known characteristics of solid-state lighting that are necessary to be able to provide a quality user experience. But it's difficult times out there for the customer right now. We see that the product turnover is very, very fast. New designs in lighting are evolving very, very quickly. And so the ability to really advise people, other than going beyond just be careful what you buy and make sure you buy from a qualified vendor, is about as far as we can really go. I'll give you a case in point. Even in our own building here, I advised our facilities people to purchase a particular kind of PAR 30 lamp to put into a large auditorium where the lighting was on 24/7. And they really liked the design. They really liked the illumination improvement. They liked the energy savings. The energy payback for us was about 15 months.
Wow.
And they wanted to expand that, but it was only 12 months later, and they found that they couldn't buy the same bulb anymore.
Right.
It had been basically revised. The light beam output pattern was somewhat different. The brightness was higher for the same energy consumption. And now we ran into this problem. So things are changing so rapidly that consumers and even building managers need to move carefully as they take a look at their options.
And Bob, one thing that we do still hear sometimes from customers, because there's so much change, they wonder, is it the right time? Is it the right time to invest in LED, whether that means they think the cost is going to continue to come down or whether the technology isn't there yet? But could you comment on what you would advise an end user in regard to the current state of LED lighting and it being a viable solution for facilities?
Well, I'm a strong believer in LED lighting, and I believe that there's enough good, low-cost product on the market right now that I would encourage everyone to take a look at solid-state lighting opportunities, whether it be for their home or for their business. It's possible for high quality LED solutions to really replace any incumbent lighting source now. There is going to be, of course, a higher price for high quality LED lighting, but the reward in terms of lighting quality, lighting stability, and energy payback, I think, is still compelling. So I would encourage people not to wait. Some of the higher end, longer term promises of smart lighting, like automatic commissioning or embedded sensors or wireless communications with your light source, those are going to take longer to settle down. So I wouldn't wait for those to come about. I would take advantages of solid state lighting now and wait for the more advanced intelligent lighting solutions to work themselves out over time.